Hello friends, if you have find this video and channel interesting which will add value to your knowledge and learning, then please like it, subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so as to get the automatic notification of latest uploaded videos. Thank you. Hello friends, now let's see what this Cisco CCNA routing and switching question is asking about. Which virtual MAC address is used by VRRP group 1? So a lot of options we have. We have four options. So option A is starting with 0504 and option B is 0007 and others one. And option C is 0050 and option D is starting with 4 times 0.5E 00.0101. So these all are the virtual MAC address, and this question is asking that out of these virtual MAC address, which is used by the VRRP for group 1. So let's explore more about this on Cisco sites. So if you go to this site, which is for implementing VRRP, the URL of this I've already shared in my channel. You can explore more if you want. And this explains a bit about the VRRP. What is VRRP? So I'm not going to deep on it, but if you go on the overview section, you can see what does it mean. So VRRP is actually the virtual router redundancy protocol, and what it does, so it is basically a IP routing redundancy protocol that is designed to allow for transparent failover at the first hoop IP router. So basically, it is used as a redundancy protocol, or a design means it is used as a failover mechanism. Okay, so VRRP enables a group of routers to form a single virtual router. Okay, the LAN client can then be configured with the virtual router as their default gateway. The virtual router representing a group of routers is also known as VRRP group. So this page actually explains about the VRRP, which is very much needed to understand what is VRRP. So you can explore more on this site what is VRRP. But we are more interested on the question which asks what is the virtual MAC address. So let's explore another site about this because that is not explained here in this site. So there is another site which is Inform IT. Here he has explained about the MAC address. So yes, if you scroll a bit down, so here it has explained about VRRP over Ethernet. So it tells over Ethernet VRRP routers uses a common MAC address and the format of which is 00:00:5E:00:01:XX. XX means it is the variable. So this is actually the correct format of virtual MAC address which is used by the router for the VRRP. So it explained, right? The first 3 octets are derived from the INA OUI. The next 2 octet, which is 00:01, indicates the address block assigned to the VRRP protocol by INA, and the last octet is the VRID or the virtual ID or the VRRP virtual router or group identifier. Okay, so the correct answer should be 00:00:5E:00:01XX. It may be anything. Okay, so the correct answer for this should be D. Let's see more about it on my explanation. So if you see here, I have explained about the VRRP. What is VRRP? So VRRP is a virtual router redundancy protocol, which I already explained, and it is An IP routing redundancy protocol which is designed to allow for transparent failover at the first hoop of the IP router. If you see in this diagram, this is the host and this is the Ethernet, and these are the two routers. So failover is done by at the Ethernet level, at the LAN level here. So the LAN client can then be configured with virtual router as their default gateway. So if you see here, H1 is the host one. So default router for host 1 is this one, and default router for host 2 is this one. Okay, and the virtual router representing a group of routers is also known as virtual VRRP group. So if you see in this diagram, the IP address of router 1 is this one, 192.32.15.1. So this is the router 1 which has a IP address of this one. And router 2 again has an IP address 192.32.15.2. So if you see here the MAC address of this is the virtual MAC address, and the format is 00:00:5e:01:01:25. So this is the variable. Okay, again see if you the MAC address for virtual 2 MAC address is in the same format, and the last octet is variable, which is 49. So the correct answer should be this. So the correct answer for this question is option D, which is 00:00:5e:00.01:01. So this last 01 can be anything, but from this to this it will be the common one. So option D is the correct answer for this question, and these all are the reference which I have already shared in my channel. You can explore more if you want. Thank you.